It's a brand new video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brenda Okolocha, and on this channel we do hair care videos, product formulation and lifestyle vlogs. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I deep clean my toilet and bathroom. I do this every weekend. Other days I just do shallow cleaning, but every weekend I deep clean. And I'm also going to be showing you all how to make your toilet and bathroom smell nice, smell good, to the point that you might almost want to sleep inside or maybe eat inside if that is possible. But okay guys, let's just get this video started. First of all, this is my affirmation. I love to say this every morning whenever I look at the mirror while brushing my teeth, washing my face, and just something to motivate me every day. So let's start by unpacking the things I put on the tray. That's the one on the wall. The one I'm removing right now are all my hair care products. I already removed the skincare products, so I'm going to start off by washing the wall. But before I actually washed the wall, I already soaked the toilet with the liquid soap and the Harpic. Yeah, I'll put the pictures of every detergent I'm using on the screen in case you want to give them a try. And guys, they actually clean the toilet very well. All right, before looking for perfume or scent that will make your space smell nice, let's even start by cleaning it, that is washing it. So sometimes germs can be on the wall, not even sometimes, all the times germs can be on the wall, so you need to scrub that shit out. Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh my god, did I drink something? What I meant is that you need to scrub your wall. Germs are everywhere, every single place you lay your hands on, and the most annoying part of it that you actually have to put your hands on your skin unknowingly. Germs are all over your wall, so make sure you scrub your wall very well. Use detergent. The detergent I used in scrubbing the wall is the Ariel detergent, and I also use it to wash the shower, the mirror, including the wash hand basin, every corner of your toilet and bedroom. Make sure you scrub very well. Before you even start washing your toilet and bedroom, please make sure to wear gloves, so that as you are scrubbing out the demons and the nyama nyama from the toilet and bedroom, as you are delivering it, you are also protecting yourself. Okay, so please do also subscribe if you're new and turn on notification bell. Yeah, share to your love. I'm sure there's so many people out there that want to watch this video, so share to your loved ones. Like the video, it will help YouTube to push it to more people so that the channel will actually grow. And yeah, share your thoughts in the comment section. I will pop up if there's need to explain anything I'm doing in the video, but I believe majority of the things I'm doing here are self-explanatory. So guys, I'll keep you all updated as the video goes on. All right, everyone, we are done cleaning and rinsing off all the dirt from the bathroom and toilet. Next is to refill. So over here I'm using the Dove body scrub and Dove bar soap. I also use Dove body wash or Olay body wash, but at the moment I'm out of body wash, so I'm going to purchase that very soon. Then as for my toothbrush, I got rid of it. It's already old. Once I used toothbrush for 3 months, I discarded it. So I ordered the electric toothbrush for someone that has sensitive teeth. I have teeth issue, of which I'm going to be going to the dentist some other time. Okay, I'm going to create a vlog. It's not anytime soon, sha. So I had to order the electric toothbrush. Sorry. Then I organized my face towel, head wrap for whenever I'm doing my skincare, the hand wash, the sunscreen, the serum, and the list goes on and on. As for the face wash, I'm also out of face wash, so for now I'm using the Kojisan bar soap. I also use it for my body and it's also good for your face. So right here I have cotton wool, and I learned this hack from Omabel. You get your cotton wool or cotton bud, you roll it, then you put your fragrance, your fragrance oil for the room. You can also use it for the diffuser, and you put it under your dustbin. That's before putting the nylon in the basket. It will help the toilet smell nice. Honestly, I tried this and it really worked very well. Then for the tissue, in order to make this have a little bit of hotel aura, I had to design the way I layer my tissue. So this is one of the things I learned from Kumoso Ramano. She's a South African YouTuber, and yeah, you also put the fragrance in the tissue, not on the tissue but inside the tissue, the hard part of the tissue. It will also make your bathroom, your toilet smell good. Then for inside the toilet, this particular hack I learned it from Grace Mondlana in one of her vlogs she posts on TikTok. You guys follow people that actually knows what they are doing. A lot of people follow people that just dance, you know, even the dancing is not like they're professional, just shaking your up and down. I'm sorry if I'm using foul language, but follow people that are intentional about what they post on social media that you can actually learn from. So majority of the things I did here are things that I learned. I love cleaning. You guys know I do hair care videos, but cleaning is another thing that I also enjoy doing. So that is it for the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. You loved what I did here, and I hope it has served someone better. So please do well to like. Let me say it again, like. It will help YouTube to push this video to more people. Subscribe if you're new, turn on notification bell so now you don't miss any upload, and share to your loved ones, again even to your enemies. Guys, just share this video, okay? Please just share it. All right, I'll see you all in my next upload. Bye.